Ka dorbash nong chutwakhu hak shipau trikala lingkon. Kelas dang ya ka jinglek kemen lingku dap shis pa snem ni centenary jubilee ka jingyat lenti jong kashnong na du balaseng house nem khat kandai spa arpusan. Ya ka jinglek kemen ka bansara ke baro shis nem lenter lawan ban plie da menteri rangba ka jela Conrad K Sangma ha ka jingdon lang usimbut menteri rangba ka jela mas nga bhalang dhar MLA ka Jowai ma wailat mki shila MLA ka amnarem ma lakmen rumbui. U Conrad K Sangma ha ka jingkren ula perto ya ki nongseng ya ka shnong halor ka jing shakri bat jing IT jongki na ka benta ban penkiw ya ka shnong ka thau bat ka imlang sa lang. Ulaya ro ru ya ka shnong chutwakhu ka ba pen story ki kenthei bat khun samla ka shnong ban shimbenta shirhem bat ban no senyang hakikam imlang sa lang. Hashwa kanela yo ka jingkren pediang na wahe shnong ma PW lingdo ki jingdwai na Reverend Dr. ER Tongper bat la pen phu pen phieng ya ka jinglek kemen da ki jingruai bat jingshan. U Conrad K Sangma hadien ka jingkren ula plie ya umau nongrim pat pelai ru ya ka centenary jubilee memento kat ba ki senior citizen jong kashnong kila pelai yak shispa teli ki balloon. Ya ka jingalang la penlong hamadan Jerusalem ha ka jingdon lang ru ki he officer ka district na do u deputy commissioner West Giant Hills district ba BS Solia u superintendent of police ma champang serti ki wahe shnong ka sor Jowai doloy ka ilaka Jowai ma purmon kinjing ki nong shong shnong na lor ki wei ki ba shakhot ngobha.
As we celebrate 100 years of Chutwakhu locality. Friends, this is indeed a red letter day for the people of the locality as we celebrate this huge milestone. On this day, we pay our respects to the founders of this locality for their service and their sacrifice. We especially remember the stalwarts of this locality like Ma O.H. Rees, Ma Lomiwel Shilla, and Ma Felixstone Rimbai, among others. This locality is rich in history, and it's one amongst the first to recognize the role of women in building our society. As early as April 1931, the locality leaders decided that women should be given the opportunity to take part in various activities within the locality. This is indeed heartening. We would like to share with you that as of today, we have many women-led self-help groups in Meghalaya, and most of them are doing a tremendous work. And this locality had in a way laid the foundation for these activities to happen today. Similarly, the locality had given space to the youth as early as 1934, when the youth organization of the locality was formed. This cooperation between men, women, and the youth is what gives strength to our state even today. We all have to work in tandem for the good of everyone. Over the years, this locality is proud to have produced citizens who became church pastors, doctors, lawyers, dramatists, footballers, and many others. Friends, this locality indeed is progressive. Since 1990s, it has formed committees on education, counseling, finance, music, and arts and culture. The purpose of these committees was to look after the proper functioning of the education sector, counsel the people of the locality on their behaviors, oversee the finances of the locality, identify and promote music talent, and preserve culture and tradition. I remember during COVID-19, the locality had donated rupees 50,000 towards the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the community of Chutwakhu for standing together with the government in those difficult times. Friends, I would also like to utilize this platform to call upon the community as a whole to work together with the government in promoting development activities. Recently, for the Shillong Ropeway project, the government and the community have worked together to kickstart a massive project of over 150 crores, which is underway right now. Friends, there is nothing which is impossible to achieve if we all work together for the good of our people. The strength of Meghalaya lies in its communities. There is no doubt about that. And therefore, as a government, we have always encouraged our communities to work closely with the government. We have many challenges ahead of us as a community, as a state, and as people. A lot of them have to do with our youth. Menace like drugs are a huge challenge for our people and our youth and our society. On this occasion, when we are starting this celebration of this 1 year celebration, long celebration, I would like to urge the organizing committee and especially our headmen that if we could take up a pledge and a specific activity to ensure that we will fight together against this menace of drugs. Government will support you. We will finance. We will work together. And let this be one of the agendas in this next 1 year's celebration. Let there be celebration, but let there be a mission also. And it should not just be a mission for the next 1 year, it should be the mission for the coming 5, 10, 15, the next 100 years. As a community, as a society, as a state, we need to work together to take our state forward. We have a large number of challenges. We are trying our best to work hard to face those challenges, to overcome those challenges. But as a government, it is not easy for us to do it alone. We need the society. We need the community. We need the people to work hand in hand together to overcome all these challenges that we have. With these few words, once again, I wish all of you the very best on this very, very momentous occasion of 100-year centenary celebration. And with these few words, I also declare the next 1 year's celebration as open and wish the community, the people, and this program and this celebration the very best. Thank you very much. Plie Chibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.
Chispa tuli snem ulai luti untuk usuk. Hani ni man ka boromba egat sang yo recommend le sang yo recommend le sang bha kodong di dap spa snem na. Hani kini jan gora ki founders kinong bo kinong sen yang ni kecnong la dam em ni kijan hani le bo dang em gile ko gudulai chkma dulai ko em jan yulti kam tami ti gum em di lamba ka jingir ku yo kijan daman kecilan uti ni kecong ko jo ka jingku blai ko karpang na kaling yonga eki presence member medog committee yang kecnong ko yo pi ki committee yang isenman bay ki sengkendro yo i terwarok yo bentalang hari celebrations sao tu yu jangai bi wa kamun bukan moi ya ki hai ko sen de bo war kam ju ki hai ko mem di hani sla parthai le ngana yo ma pilan ni la khanyau snem mana malia dan nit lam bakla program mo yo olai kamu ni program ko dap spa sen gu ki sona sao ko men wem lang opina to yusu yo tenan la ke chnong ko em ga responsibility hakileng woro ini wadat em kam snem tam ho hanan dangwan ke proposal no em liu yong pir kat wi member chnong yo pheji lam yo ba chnong lam to ro bakala jan dep sanction hani ke chnong kam nia phaula khaw anan jan ko toilet ki wini na ga department ge nga kawi yo pi em li udang kendro yo man dynamics leaders won jo chong sim do thia si ojo pendo thia bi secretary ta i go em khachuki ni hai poro wani mar de blani helicopter suwani chini chimadan uchi minister ro pen pau sa kumer gom tip de ile oto yo de pen miet de pen po pen pen bi ga sor jwai ni menta ga Meghalaya games nakali ga nga I wish you all the best sao si wong khajak ne ba de yamang bi nga o ma plano ma wara du yam lang pi ru min ni disken ni si hane ga ro ja gar khat program kumiu dam aten le wat la kam te ham sao pele mem lang re min sen ni pi yul ti ve won program no pendep ci ba ja hadu mi daw em bijan yul ti man ki program go lai ba yo man ki program go jam rek ni gten kublai ci bon e o kan rar won jong uthe jing ku ya ka chong Chutwakhu ko sang ko mayagi kamu na celebrate ya ka ni spa song dabi yuluti ka jing kublai ko kar pangamon ne ya ginang bok no thau ya ki member ko rim wat member ko em kat ka manganile jan no emi giti ka lang kringo ya yu lam ya ka chnong chaka flying skalor hagin gi sing porawan dagini giten kublai ci bon kublai che jaru doro
ya ki wa he ku de em bentalang gu de e jing chakri ya ka di ka chnong ha ki bentai gu pher you know me come on you the e gu contribution ha chibun ki bentai yong ga roi ka par yong ka di ka chnong but you luti ele wa kani ka mensim ya teli ka mensim ya krelang yo nang yai ne go ha ka di ka chnong wa ha kini ki snem tu dawan le yo cho yo ya i jingku ha waro ki benta yong kani ka chnong henrei eo kate ka mensim jing ya krelang but ne yang le hewani por iwa ka chnong em kam ka nga kloyo uya snok tilang wa ya em bentalang wa pen kentu kenrong ya karoi kapar ya ki jingem kam ki wa harukom ki wa po ka chnong ka thau
He wa sen ki long chua